दिव्य हुआ पाषाण ये है, दिव्य हुआ है मन, दिव्य दिवस ये हो गया। आए जो श्रीमान, आए जो श्रीमान। आप सभी से अनुरोध है, जोरदार तालियों से हमारे अतिथिगण का स्वागत करें।
Let us all rise in respect and welcome them with hearts filled with admiration and warm applause. The guard of honors march in perfect. Each turn echoes with devotion, a tribute to the ideals of Saint Ignatius and the legacy we uphold. This march of honor now reaches its destination, the stage of celebration and grace. We request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly be seated.
A golden dawn paints the sky anew with a breathing.
Applause to our esteemed dignitaries. Chief guest, guest of honor, reverend managers, principals, vice principals, fathers, sisters, respected teachers, and dear.
We gather here today to celebrate the grand finale of Xavier Milan 6, where culture, talent, and creativity shone bright.
From the mesmerizing and engaging activities that brought us all together,
we have experienced the best of Nova.
my soul when troubles come, my heart burdened, then I am still and waiting in the silence until you come and sit up with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. soulful prayer song. Truly, your performance has carried us beyond limits towards glory, guiding our thoughts, lifting our hearts, and inspiring us to soar higher and together. And now we step into a moment of honor and inspiration as we welcome a leader whose presence embodies the Xavier spirit itself. Our chief guest, Reverend Father Glenn Menezes, manager of St. Xavier School, Shahabad, Rohini, Delhi.
May we request our respected principal, Reverend Father Jugal Kindu, to kindly come forward and present a bouquet as a token of our love and appreciation to our chief guest.
Please put your hands together for Reverend Father Glenn.
Thank you.
And humility. Father Thomas continues to nurture the Xavier spirit with wisdom, warmth, and compassion. Thank you, Fathers. Please be seated.
Vice principals, fathers and sisters, your blessings make every Xavier gathering complete.
Please give a huge round of applause to our esteemed dignitaries. Students are requested to kindly be seated. Over the past 2 days, Xavier Millen 6 has truly been a journey of discovery, of talents explored, teamwork strengthened, and friendships beautifully formed.
Every activity, every cheer, every shared smile has added a new color to this vibrant festival. Now, it's time to hear from the voices behind these memories.
For this, may we invite Ms. Binsi of St. Xavier School, Rajnivas, the teacher representative, to share her insights and thoughts of Xavier Millen 6. Please put your hands together for Ms. Binsi.
A very warm and pleasant morning to everyone present here. It gives me great pleasure to share my feedback on Xavier Millen 6. These past few days have truly been a celebration of talent, creativity, and teamwork. Every event reflected the enthusiasm and dedication of our participants, the guidance of our teachers, and the wonderful coordination of our organizing team. From the energetic performances to the exciting team events, each moment was filled with spirit and learning. It was amazing to see students come together, support one another, and showcase their best. The entire event was not just about winning, but about participation, collaboration, and joy. A big thank you to our management, teachers, and volunteers for their constant support, and to all participants for making Xavier Millen 6 such a grand success. It was truly an event to remember. Thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words remind us that Xavier Millen is not just an event. It's a celebration of unity, learning, and lasting connections that carried us beyond limits towards glory.
Now let's hear from our student representative, Prashast Sharma from St. Xavier School, Nevta, to share the students' vibrant experiences and memories of this wonderful event. Give a huge round of applause to Prashast.
Good morning, respected fathers, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude for having us here as a part of wonderful event, Xavier's Millen, hosted by Bhiwadi. We had a mesmerizing experience attending Xavier's Millen. All 8 Xavier branches came together and showcased a variety of activities each day. beginning with yoga and meditation sessions, followed by dance, music, drama, and sports events. The arrangements were excellent, from food and medical facilities to event management. Everything was well organized. The decoration and overall ambience added to the festive spirit. The management team worked tirelessly throughout the day to ensure everything ran smoothly. It was truly a well-coordinated and enriching event reflecting the Xavier spirits of unity, creativity, and excellence. I would also like to thank all the Didi and Bhaiyas who arranged everything for us. I am truly grateful for new friends I made here. We will surely stay in touch even after this event. Thank you everyone for making Xavier's Milan such a memorable and joyful experience. Thank you.
Your words truly echo the joy of enthusiasm of Xavier Milan 6. Please give a huge round of applause for Prashant.
It's time to witness art in motion, where every step speaks and every smile shines. Each beat,
Each move,
each expression tells a story of togetherness
creativity.
and pride in being the part of the Xavier family.
We invite our talented friends from St. Xavier School, Roopnagar, whose vibrant Bhangra performance will set the stage ablaze with color, culture, bringing the lively spirit of Punjab alive before Xavierites from Delhi, Jaipur and beyond.
Their dance is more than a movement. It's a celebration of unity, passion, and the Xavier spirit that binds us all.
So let your hearts beat to the rhythm and your hands join in applause as we welcome St. Xavier School, Roopnagar with their electrifying Bhangra performance.
That's what it is. नाम जिवें ट्रेंड नहीं पैरी रखे काके गुंडे ते बैंड नहीं चक्कने लगे ना पटुलाऊं दा बैंड नहीं पहलियां तू बड़ू कराऊं बैंड नहीं नाम जिवें ट्रेंड नहीं पैरी रखे काके गुंडे ते बैंड नहीं चक्कने लगे ना पटुलाऊं दा बैंड नहीं पहलियां तू बड़ू कराऊं दा बैंड नहीं शादी हवा भी होली साडे वाल दी आज साडे वाल दी पता नहीं गल दी ओ बदले जे गल भी ना कोई गल नहीं करे जवानी जिंदगी है जल्दी जल्दी चाली ते मक्खी रख दे स्पीड गाने गट्टियां ते चलदे रिपीट कोई कहते आंदे पर पीछा दे हिट सिर खेलदे जंग जिवें चढ़ गई नींद जो दे रहा जिते ते कंडे काटनी आंख दे इशारे नहीं रखते चंदनी आई साली आंदी गाणियां दी मंडनी रब सुख रखे किसे ते डिपेंड नहीं आओ चाची जनाब जिवें ट्रेंड Just beats.
joy of being beyond limits towards glory.
And now, we are honored to hear from our chief guest, Reverend Father Glenn Menezes, SJ, the manager of St. Xavier's School, Shahbad Rohini, New Delhi. During his tenure of 5 years, he built a new architectural wing with his architectural brilliance and techno-savvy foresight.
His pursuit of excellence and his belief in the Jesuit vision of Magus, striving for the greater glory of God, Father has always inspired everyone around him.
Father Glenn is a true shepherd, ever caring and compassionate towards his staff and students. He has touched countless lives with humility and grace.
Father, your dedication mirrors the spirit of St. Ignatius himself, finding God in all things and bringing light wherever you go.
Your work is a living poem of purpose and passion.
You build not just walls but wisdom, not just structures but lives.
Your vision and guidance light the way for our young Xavierites, helping them truly go beyond limits towards glory.
Let's welcome our chief guest with a big round of applause.
The feeling that is uppermost in my mind is a feeling of joy. I'm extremely happy to see our young students of Bhiwadi doing so well. I spent almost 5 years here, and today you speak with so much of confidence. It's amazing. Yeah, thank you so much for having grown in this, in the ability to speak well and communicate. Thank you so much. And a big thanks to Father Yugal. He has been able to, create this entire Xavier Milan so meticulously well. Everyone, I was kind of amazed also by the people serving us tea and coffee. They immediately asked us whether we'll have tea with sugar or without sugar. And I think every little thing is taken well care of. So thank you so much, Father Yugal, and Father Tom Kuriakos, under whose leadership this entire Xavier Milan has taken place. And Father Nyana also, the man of action. He's always around organizing things. So it's amazing. I feel extremely happy. As well as happy that all our 8 schools are here, and you have an opportunity to interact with each other, exchange ideas and present various programs together. There are a couple of points I would like to share with you. Today, as we presented the Xavier Milan, I feel it's not only an occasion for music or dance, it's also the spirit of unity, the joy of learning from one another and the beauty of coming together as one family. This is something that Xavier Milan has always stressed. We are one family. When we started, it was a competition. Today, all of us are working together. Every cultural expression we witness, be it a song, a play, a piece of art or dance, is born out of teamwork. It is a reminder that none of us is complete on our own. When we work together, when we support and trust one another, we reflect the very values that St. Ignatius taught us, to seek excellence not for ourselves but for the greater glory of God. And this is one of the characteristics of every Xavierite. We are not here to promote ourselves, but we are here to promote each other and to work as a team. And that's how I think India will move ahead, if we work together as a team and make India proud with our various activities. The second point I would like to stress is the importance of prayer. Prayer gives direction to our dreams and humility to our achievements. It keeps us grounded when we succeed and strengthens us when challenges arise. Let us remember to begin every effort, every performance, and every journey with prayer, because in doing so, we open our hearts to God's grace. One of the good things that has started in every school of ours is this examination of conscience, wherein we have some time to look back at our entire day and thank the Lord with gratitude for all that He has done for each one of us. And we also do it in our assembly, right at the start of the assembly. So let us remember that it's important for us to depend on God and it is God who takes us ahead. The third point is, as Jesuit institutions, we are called to be men and women for others. This means our talents and education are not aimed in themselves, but gives men to serve. It means standing up for what is right, reaching out to those in need, and using our abilities to make a difference, however small, in our home, school, and society. We are living in a world which is very individualistic, but I think the change that we have to make is to think of others. When we go out to the street, we will find a lot of litter around. This is because often we think about ourselves. It's important that we should look at the future of our planet and keep it green. And therefore, let us keep this in mind. We are called to be men and women for others. Before I conclude, on behalf of all the participating schools, I would like to express our deep gratitude to our host school, St. Xavier School, Bhiwadi. Thank you for your warm hospitality, for taking such wonderful care of all the staff and students, and for making this day memorable. Your kindness and meticulous organization have made this festival not just an event, but a cherished experience. As we continue to celebrate today, let us carry with us the Ignatian spirit, to work as a team, to live prayerfully, and to always be persons for others. Thank you so much, and may God bless us all.
Your message has truly touched our hearts and reminded us of the deeper purpose behind all that we do. You may please be seated. Every spark that lit up Xavier Millen deserves to be celebrated. We now move to honor our teacher representatives, the guiding lights who have supported, motivated, and accompanied their students through this wonderful journey. We also request all student participants from each school to be ready for the photo session. You will be called right after your teacher representatives. Once the photo session is over, you are requested to return to your allotted groves. May we now invite our guest of honor, Reverend Father Thomas Kuriakose SJ, to come forward to honor the teacher representatives and present a token of appreciation and farewell gift to each participating school. Joining him in this moment of honor, we also have Reverend Father Jugal Kindo SJ, our respected principal. We request our guest of honor and our principal to kindly come forward. To begin with, we invite the teacher representatives of St. Xavier School, C Scheme, Jaipur. Please put your hands together for the teacher representatives of St. Xavier School, C Scheme, Jaipur.
St. Xavier School, C Scheme, Jaipur, a school that truly defines excellence and elegance.
Please put your hands together for our teacher representatives. Known for its rich legacy and commitment to all-round development, St. Xavier CC has always been a shining example.
Ready?
As the camera captures these smiles, let's celebrate not just the moment, but the values and legacy that St. Xavier CC represents. Determination, humility, and a quest for greatness.
All the best.
Thank you, CC.
We request Reverend Fathers to do the honor as a token of love, gratitude for their commitment, patience and steadfast support.
मैं घर में जाऊँ कि
Give a huge round of applause to the teacher representatives.
Sports or cultural pursuits, where students consistently set high standards for others to follow.
Their vibrant energy adds a special spark Xavier Millen sings, reminding us that true excellence is a mix of hard work, creativity, and heart. Alright everyone, let's capture this beautiful moment. Bright smiles, heads held high, and that unmistakable Xavier confidence.
डाउन कर लो बेटा, फेस हाइड हो जाएगा आपका, यूज डाउन है
on your chest beta, on your chest level, not on your face please.
Yes.
This photo will be a reminder of the bonds and memories you have created here in the past 3 days. Students are requested to return back to their allotted groups. We request the teacher representatives of St. Xavier's School, Shahabad Rohini, to kindly come forward and receive the honor.
Huge round of applause.
Request the student participants to make their way forward. Next we have St. Xavier's School, Behror, for them as a token of our appreciation and gratitude.
Put your hands together for the teacher representatives. Every performance, every effort reflected your unity and creative spirit.
Your energy and enthusiasm have added so much vibrance to this event, and we are sure. Alright, Behror, let's make this moment picture perfect. Smiles wide, heads high, and hearts full of Xavier pride. This snapshot will always remind you of the joy and success School Bhiwani. We invite the teacher representatives of St. Xavier's School, Bhiwani. Give a huge round of applause to the teacher representatives. We call student participants of St. Xavier's School, Bhiwani. Give a heartfelt round of applause to St. Xavier's School, Bhiwani.
Wait. Wait.
Thank you, St. Xavier's School, Bhiwani. Next we have please give a huge round of applause to the teacher representatives from St. Xavier's School, Roopnagar. St. Xavier's School, Roopnagar, a team that impressed everyone with their discipline, creativity, and dedication. You have truly been inspiring. Let's give them a big round of applause. We request the student participants to come forward for the group photograph. Also the friendships, laughter, and memories created along the way.
Yes.
Alright, Roopnagar, let's make this photo a memory to cherish forever.
Thank you.
A big round of applause to St. Xavier's School, Roopnagar. Thank you. The students are requested to kindly join their allotted groups. Please give a huge round of applause to our teacher representatives. The students are requested enthusiasm and cheerful spirit.
Give them a huge round of applause.
And Xavier values that Mahua represents.
Yes.
These memories will surely be cherished for
बेटा
years
इधर
to come.
सामने yes.
Once again, make some noise for St. Xavier's School, Mahua. The students are requested to kindly join. Please put your hands together for our teacher representatives. And finally, we invite the student participants, not just the success of the event, but the values that Neta represents. Passion, determination, so Neta, big smiles and heads held high. This photograph will be a lasting memory of your remarkable presence and the unforgettable energy you have brought to Xavier Millen 6. Please give a huge round of applause to the Xavier School name card. The students are requested to join back. Please to kindly be seated.
A very good morning to all of you. Good morning. I would like to listen from that side. Good morning. Louder. Are you all tired? Are you tired? Are you feeling sad? Or are you feeling happy? Happy? You are happy that you are going back to your place today, right? I suppose all of you had a very good time over here. Yes or no? And you might have made so many friends. Am I right? Yes or no? Because this is the time we come together, meet each other, share our joys and happiness with each other, and also work as a team. That is what I experienced during these last 3 days. And I'm really happy to have you all over here. And I really appreciate your cooperation, your dedication, your commitment. And I would like to congratulate each one of you for your cooperation, for your support. And because of your cooperation and support, this Milan came to an end successfully. So here I have the result of the competitions that were held. Third place goes to, can you guess? Third place goes to, nobody wants third place. Goes to Peter Faber. Second place goes to Francis Borgia. And first place goes to, can you guess? First place, nobody wants. Louder. Louder. You're right. Arupe. So once again, congratulations to each one of you for everything. God bless you all, and I wish you all safe journey back to your place. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Father. We request you to guide us SJ to come forward and honor our champions. Congratulations to our third place winners. Applause to the third position team. We request Peter Faber to come forward. We also request the teacher in charges to come along the team. Your creativity, consistency and teamwork were truly impressive. You have earned your spot on the podium and have every reason to be proud. Please put your hands together for Peter Faber and the students of Francis Borgia team for their remarkable performance. Make some noise for Peter Faber. Thank you, students and teachers. It goes to Francis Borgia. We invite the students and the teacher representatives to come forward and receive the honor. Your commitment and determination shone brightly throughout the competition. You came so close to the top and your efforts are nothing short of inspiring. Keep aiming higher, success follows hard work. A big hand to Francis Borgia. For their dedication and teamwork. Thank you and the success. The incredible performance, teamwork and dedication of Arupe have truly set a new standard. To compete and the spirit to keep improving. Once again, a big hand to everyone present. Our champions, we are now privileged to hear from a leader whose kindness, dedication and care continues to guide generations. Father Thomas Kuriakose SJ hails from Kerala and completed his schooling in Rajna's Delhi. He pursued his higher studies in France and later served as a professor of theology in Pune for several years. Throughout his illustrious career, he has held esteemed positions as superior and manager at various institutions, including St. Xavier School Delhi, St. Xavier School Roopnagar and XLRI Jhajjar. Currently, he serves as the manager of St. Xavier School Bhiwadi. Known for his humility and approachable nature, Father Thomas is an excellent orator and a distinguished academician. Let's welcome our guest of honor, Reverend Father Thomas Kuriakose, to share his inspiring thoughts and insights. Over to you, Father.
One of you? Thank you, thank you. In the Maha Upanishad, chapter 7, verses 40 to 42, it is said, those who say, these are mine, those people are not mine. Those who say, these are mine and those are not my people, they have a small mind. But those who say, the whole world is my family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, they have a great mind. Xavier Milan is precisely to remind us that we are one big family. Of course, our blood relatives are very special, our father, mother and own brother, sister, surely we have a special bond. But we widen it and widen it. And the Xavier family of Delhi province, all the schools are here, it's wonderful. But must remember, the whole world is our family. That is what India and the great thinkers and sages of rishis of India have told us. Very often on special occasions we remember great people. I think we have a lot of examples right here, right here. Now Father Glenn is our chief guest. When I finished theology for masters, my first batch of theology students, Father Glenn. So I'm proud of you, Glenn, that you have done so much, and you are more than outward achievements. There is a drive within you to do great things, to do greater things as St. Ignatius calls. Thank you for that, and the message you give. Father Scaria sitting here, he is representing the highest authority of Delhi province, the Vice Provincial, Father Scaria. Father Scaria also was along with Father Glenn, so the first batch of theology students that I taught. So, I really feel proud of you too. Wonderful. A person with quiet dedication. All of us must learn from one another. We can all teach one another. Jugal, thank you for all your hard work. Jugal, when I was in Behrod, Jugal came as a regent there. So it's wonderful to see you grow and do so well. And thank you to Father Gyan for all his efforts. Father Sebastian, come. There you are, Sebastian. Thank you. As the Jesuit team here, and of course the sisters, I must say, they have done great. Thank you so much. Sister Maria, the Superior of MSLG, Sister Shiny, Susan Shiny, the Vice Principal. And all the teaching staff and the non-teaching staff, they've done tremendous work. Thank you so much. Father Glenn already thanked, and we all feel wonderful that as we grow together, let's help one another to keep growing. And as Father Glenn pointed out, prayer is very important. God is the most important. So everything we do for God's greater glory, that is the real success. Remember that. The more glory we give to God, the more successful we are. It's not in making money, it's not in getting power or positions, it's in serving with love. To be greater, Jesus Christ would say, you must be servant of all and serve. And so this message, though we aim for the stars, Nova X is aiming for greater things. Remember, we must always be humble and we serve for the greater glory of God. Thank you.